Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change app screen grid size in Samsung Galaxy F55. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, app screen grid settings. Step 2. Now locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Home Screen or Apps Screen Grid. The exact term may vary depending on your device model and software version. You might see options like Home Screen Settings or Screen Grid. Don't worry about unrelated options like Auto Restart. That's not what we want. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Home Screen Settings. This will take you to a menu where you can customize your home and app screen appearance. Locate the app screen grid and tap it. Step 5. For the last and most important step, once you tap on either Home Screen Grid or App Screen Grid, you'll see a few layout options such as 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, or 5x6. These numbers refer to how many rows and columns of apps are displayed. Simply tap the one that works best for you. You'll get a preview of what it will look like. When you're happy with your choice, tap Apply or Done to save the changes. And just like that, your app screen grid is updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.